Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at 4 brand new AI tools to save you 20 hours a week. Let's get started. It can save startups around 20 hours a week, which is really great. So the first on our list is Synthesia. Now this is an AI video generator platform that is designed for studio quality video content with AI avatars. It is perfect for creating training models, presentation, and social media content. With Synthesia, you can customize avatars, use templates, and produce videos in minutes. Next on our list is Phantom. This AI meeting assistant records meetings, generates clear summaries, and provides full transcripts. It saves you hours of manual note-taking and review. It is free to use, but it has premium plans starting at $19 per month. Next we have is Deep Research. This AI tool finds, analyzes, and synthesizes hundreds of online sources to create comprehensive reports in minutes. It is perfect for market research, legal analysis, and investment reports. Then the last on our list is Runway. This AI video creation platform offers features like text to video, image to video, and motion brush. It is great for creating visually compelling videos for social media posts. Runway's pricing is flexible with plans starting at $12 per month. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you, as a startup, use these 4 brand new AI tools to save yourself 20 hours a week?